Hey guys, check this out. You're probably thinking, what's so special about that bench grinder at 200 watts? Well, I'll tell you what's so special about that. Have a look to see what it's plugged into. Let's follow the cord down. Here we go, round. And it's going back into this inverter. Now this inverter is 300 watts. And, oh, there it goes. It's going off. It's going off and on because this battery that it's connected to is getting low. The charger is connected to it, but I wanted to see now it's going off and on, off and on. This is going off and on, off and on. This battery, these are all kind of deadish batteries anyways, just on 12 volts. Let's turn this off for a minute. So my test was, guys, that will this inverter run the bench grinder? Now, if it can run the bench grinder, I'll show you something. Hang on, guys. I gotta take that off for a second. Hang on. There we go. Sorry about that. Bad, dodgy camera work. So I take that end off, and this is what I used to use to run my lathe. Was that pulley? So let's just take that off. Now over here was the guard screws where this guard is screws into the side. So okay, and I thought, I had a look at this. This is the coil system of a motorbike, and this is the mag. See the big magnets in there? There's like about 4 poles per magnet. North, south, north, south. Yeah. Anyways, look at that. 3 holes. Let's put this coil up to here for a minute and see if these holes line up. And lo and behold, look, you see through there? 1. Okay, the lighting's not good, but they all match up. All of the holes match up, which is perfect. That centers that on there. Now all I have to do is get the relay system off the motorbike, connect it up to this, which turns it back to DC current, put this onto here, and get this motor to start, and I should have some sort of continuous cycle happening, right? With if I got 2 of these batteries and link them up into a stronger 12 volt battery, into not series but parallel, like the negatives together and the positives together. Yeah, just makes more amperage but at the same voltage. And so I believe that this here will run, probably not economically unless I can throw charge back into the batteries, but it'll be interesting to see how much power we're going to get out of the coil, to see if the thing will self-charge either the batteries or make it self-run. So, yeah, pretty cool, guys. So, as you all know, it's raining here. It's raining everywhere at the moment, and so we're just trying to look for indoor projects at the moment. And I thought that this one here was a really good one. As you can see, that's the coil off the motorbike. It's off a Kawasaki 250, I think. And you can see the 3 wires up here, 3-phase wires. You can tune these back into little e-bike motors as well. They got really, really super strong magnets in these. Because they're already wired in a 12 volt configuration anyway, you could use it stock standard on an e-bike controller up to those 3 wires there on a brushless controller, and then see how well that does. And if you want to go faster, just rewire the whole thing with a 1.5 millimeter wire, and make sure that the wire's got coating on it, like that shellac stuff. You can see it on here, like a coating. This is some stuff here, but it's got a coating of polyurethane or shellac on it. Some wire doesn't. Some wire comes without any shellac on it, and you gotta, if you're gonna use a whole few strands like that wound up, that you gotta insulate tape it so that when you wind the coils up, they don't touch and short out. Anyways, guys, I thought that was kind of interesting. I will get back to you as soon as I make more headway and find all the bolts and stuff. Cool, guys. Awesome stuff. Cruise man out, guys.